In this lecture, we will see how we can load the next dart after throwing the first one. We can achieve this by a small change in the dart controller. Open up the dart controller, and inside the last if condition, we just need to instantiate the dart. So basically, we will be calling the method name dart init. Above code is throwing a dart. After that, we are loading a new one. When the user is tapping on the dart, the above code will be activating the current dart status and moving it. And at the same time, we are initializing a new dart using this function. So simply one dart is moving and we are creating a new one. In the demo build, we can see when we launch the dart, the next one is loaded. Launch it, next one will be loaded. Okay, that's working. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lecture.